There are at least a few thousand people here, all of them from the public sector and with one common cause. They are calling for a pay rise. They want a better deal from the government. I have two social care workers here with me from Birmingham. We have Patricia and Yvonne. Thank you for joining us and talking to us. Patricia, we'll start with you. Just tell me how hard it's been for you.
It's been very difficult. You have to juggle with two jobs. I'm a lecturer. I look after my daughter who has got mental health issues. It is hard. We demand better pay. We demand better sick pay. We demand better for our children. We are tired of being lied to. We are tired with the government that lied to us constantly. We deserve better. We demand better pay. We demand sick pay. That's why we are here today. All the workers in England, they deserve better because they work very hard. Thank you.
Yvonne, just give me a sense of, you're also a social care worker. You don't get paid very much, do you? So how hard has it been for you with everything going up and the fact that you worked during the pandemic?
It's very hard. Sometimes you look on your gas and your electric and you started to cry because you don't know which one to top up first. You can't go without either, but you have to find a way to do it. You have to be working 50, 60 hours so you're able to meet your bills and pay your rent. This is not acceptable in today, the 21st century. This Tory government needs to do something for care workers. We deserve better. We have worked through the pandemic, all through the pandemic, and we did not even get a recognition from our provider to say thank you for your hard work that you have done. It's not acceptable. We deserve better, and that's the reason why we are here today. We need to be able to pay our bills and live comfortably.
And you heard today that the Treasury Chief Secretary to the Treasury, Simon Clarke, has said that public sector workers shouldn't have unrealistic expectations over pay rises because of the potential effect that it could have on pushing up inflation. What do you think? What do you feel when you hear that?
That's really upsetting. It is very upsetting. They can have their own pay rise, and everybody else who works hard cannot have pay rise. That has got to stop. Everybody needs a pay rise. Care workers need £15 an hour because they work so hard. Looking after somebody who is vulnerable is not funny. It's not easy. This has got to stop. We need pay rise. We need better working conditions. Thank you.
He can sit where he's sitting, and he's sitting comfortably. He's driving a posh car, and I'm walking, and I'm taking the bus to work, and I'm trying to get taxi to work. So he cannot stay up there and tell me what I am facing down here, what I deserve, what I need. So he can stay there and talk what he's talking, because he's talking nonsense, because he's living comfortable. His family, I can assure you, are going to private schools and everything, while we have to send our kids to secondary school and grammar school. Enough is enough. So he can stay there and talk. He doesn't even understand what's going on down here. He needs to get up off his high horse, come down here and realize what we are going through. We are the real people. So he needs to come down here and see what we are going through. Then he can talk. He can't talk at the moment.